In the bustling landscape of modern life, the mental well-being of young individuals is increasingly under scrutiny. Anxiety and depression, once considered adult afflictions, are now pervasive among youth, presenting a complex and pressing concern. Understanding the intricate interplay of factors contributing to these conditions is crucial in providing effective support and guidance to the younger generation. In this video, we delve into the nuances of anxiety and depression in youth, exploring their manifestations, causes, and avenues for intervention. The rising tide of anxiety and depression. Statistics paint a sobering picture. Anxiety disorders affect approximately 8% of children and teenagers, while depression rates have surged by 60% in the past decade among adolescents. These figures underscore the urgency of addressing mental health challenges in the youth demographic. Manifestations and symptoms. Anxiety and depression often manifest differently in youth compared to adults. While adults may articulate their feelings more clearly, adolescents may exhibit behavioral changes or physical symptoms, such as irritability, academic decline, social withdrawal, or even somatic complaints, like headaches and stomachaches. Recognizing these subtle signs is crucial for early intervention. The role of environment and genetics. Various factors contribute to the development of anxiety and depression in youth. Genetic predispositions play a significant role, with hereditary factors accounting for up to 40% of cases. Moreover, environmental stressors such as academic pressure, social media, family dynamics, and socioeconomic disparities can exacerbate these conditions. The modern digital landscape, with its relentless connectivity and performance pressures, amplifies these stressors, posing unique challenges to youth mental health. Navigating adolescence. Adolescence is a tumultuous period marked by profound physical, emotional, and social changes. This developmental stage often magnifies vulnerabilities, making youth particularly susceptible to mental health challenges. Peer relationships, identity formation, academic pressures, and societal expectations converge to create a complex web of stressor that can overwhelm young minds. Breaking the stigma. One of the most significant barriers to addressing youth mental health is the persistent stigma surrounding mental illness. Misconceptions and stereotypes prevent many young individuals from seeking help, fearing judgment or ostracization. Normalizing conversations about mental health, both at home and in educational settings, is essential in fostering an environment where youth feel comfortable seeking support without fear of stigma. Holistic approaches to intervention. Effective intervention requires a multifaceted approach that addresses the biological, psychological, and social dimensions of mental health. Psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medication may form part of the treatment plan, tailored to the individual needs of the youth. Equally important are lifestyle modifications, such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, healthy nutrition, and stress management techniques, which can significantly impact mental well-being. Empowering youth. Empowering young individuals to take charge of their mental health is paramount. Educating them about coping strategies, emotional regulation techniques, and the importance of self-care fosters resilience and equips them with lifelong skills to navigate the challenges ahead. Additionally, fostering supportive environments within families, schools, and communities encourages open dialogue and reduces the isolation often associated with mental illness. Supporting families and caregivers. The role of families and caregivers is pivotal in the mental health landscape of youth, providing parents and guardians with the tools and knowledge to recognize early signs of anxiety and depression can make a significant difference. Educational programs and resources for families can equip them with strategies to create nurturing and open environments, encouraging their children to express their feelings and seek help when needed. School-based interventions. Schools serve as a critical arena for identifying and addressing mental health issues. Integrating mental health education into the curriculum can demystify these conditions and promote understanding among students. School counselors and psychologists play a vital role in providing support and developing individualized intervention plans. Additionally, peer support programs and mental health clubs can create a community of understanding and shared experiences, fostering a supportive atmosphere within the school. The power of technology. While technology often contributes to the stress experienced by youth, It also offers innovative solutions for mental health support. Digital platforms and mobile apps designed for mental health can provide accessible resources, such as mindfulness exercises, coping strategies, and virtual therapy sessions. These tools can be particularly beneficial for youth who may feel uncomfortable seeking help in traditional settings. However, it is essential to balance technology use with offline activities to ensure holistic well-being. Promoting social connections. Strong social connections are a protective factor against anxiety and depression. Encouraging youth to engage in extracurricular activities, sports, arts, and volunteer work can foster a sense of belonging and purpose. Building supportive peer networks and providing opportunities for positive social interactions can mitigate feelings of isolation and enhance overall mental health. Policy and advocacy. Advocating for policy changes that prioritize youth mental health is crucial. This includes increasing funding for mental health services, ensuring access to care regardless of socioeconomic status, and implementing policies that reduce academic pressures and promote a balanced lifestyle. Collaborating with policymakers, educators, healthcare professionals, and community organizations can drive systemic changes that support the mental well-being of young individuals. Addressing anxiety and depression in youth requires a comprehensive, multi-layered approach that encompasses individual, familial, educational, and societal dimensions. By fostering understanding, providing accessible resources, and advocating for supportive policies, we can create an environment where youth feel empowered to navigate their mental health challenges. Together, we can work towards a future where every young person has the opportunity to thrive mentally, emotionally, and socially. In the ever-evolving journey of growing up, mental health is a cornerstone of overall well-being. By understanding and addressing the complexities of anxiety and depression in youth, we lay the foundation for a generation that is resilient, empathetic, and equipped to lead fulfilling lives. Let us commit to being allies in this journey, ensuring that no young individual feels alone in their struggles and that every path to healing is illuminated with hope and compassion.